In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Amazon account. Before we start, a quick heads up. Closing your Amazon account is a permanent action. Once it's done, you won't be able to reopen it or access any of the data linked to that account. So as we go through the steps, take your time, read everything on the screen carefully, and make sure this is really what you want to do. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Then sign into the account you want to delete. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a section called Account and Lists. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page. On the account page, you'll see several tiles and sections related to your orders, login security, payments, and more. Scroll all the way down toward the bottom of this page. There, you'll find a section labeled Manage Your Data. Inside that section, look for a link that says Close Your Amazon Account and click on it. The page will reload and bring you to a dedicated account closure page. Here, Amazon explains exactly what happens when you close your account. This is important, so read through it carefully. As you scroll, you'll see a list of Amazon products and services, and to the right of each one, you'll see what will happen to those services if you close your account. This might include things like order history, subscriptions, digital content, or other linked services. Take a moment to scroll through and understand the impact. Continue scrolling until you reach the bottom of the page. You'll see a clear warning stating that account closure is a permanent action, along with a few additional notes. Just below that, there's an optional drop-down where you can choose a main reason for closing your account. You can select one if you'd like, but it's not required. Next, you'll see a checkbox that says, Yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Check this box to confirm that you understand and agree. After that, click the Close My Account button. Once you do, Amazon will send a confirmation notification to the email address or phone number associated with your account. You'll need to follow the instructions in that message and reply within 5 days to verify your request. And that's it. After you confirm through that message, Amazon will process the closure and your account will be permanently deleted.